Alright guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you two great examples on how to make money online and how to build a successful online business around your own brand. I know this may sound impossible and unreal for most of you, but I'm just about to show you two great and successful men who were able to build their businesses from zero, from scratch, all the way up to multiple 6 and multiple 7 figures online. I'm Spiro Kovac, and if you're first time on my channel, I want you to know that I always try to pack a lot of value and information in my videos without selling you anything. No pitching, pure value, and that's why I hope you can focus next couple of minutes and watch this video all the way till the end. And then if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content, any new videos. Without further ado, let's go jump into my computer. Okay guys, we are now inside my computer and I'm about to show you two guys that have created a massive success. And yes guys, we are again over at youtube.com. As you can see, YouTube is so amazing, even though most people don't recognize it as of yet. But YouTube allows you to create many different types of businesses. So today I'm gonna show you two channels, both in a health niche. Jeremy Eater and second one Athlean X. And both of these guys are doing exactly what I'm recommending and teaching on this and many other videos as well. Okay, let's start with the less known Jeremy, and I'm just gonna search for Jeremy Eater. And as you can see, his profile has almost 1 million subscribers and he has posted over like 70 videos. So we are now at Jeremy's YouTube channel, and this is all about personal branding, as you can see. And if you look at this channel better, it's all true value. Take a look over his videos and you will see how often he takes approach in which he's pointing out what we're usually doing wrong instead of what other YouTubers are doing, and that's sort of his unique approach. And now you can say, oh, but Spiro, I don't know anything about health and fitness. And it makes sense guys, but come on, try to look outside the box. So what you can do, you can go out and learn something, any skill, anything. And then you turn around, come back to YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and create a blog. Try to share a lot of information and value for free on these platforms, and then you will build a trust. And once you establish yourself as an expert in a certain market, you can start and create your own products and services, and you can't fail. So as you can see, this channel is almost 1 million subscribers, and now you tell me, what do you think? Why it's successful? I'm gonna tell you why it's successful. It works simply because in literally each and every video on his channel, he is helping other people. Now, what's important to understand is amount of the value that he's providing in his videos. Okay, I'm gonna open one of his latest videos and let's take a look quickly. I'll just skip this advert.
Sir,
it's going to consist of 7.
Okay, doesn't matter. Let's check into his description and you'll see what I'm talking about. Here is a secret thing for success, and then you're gonna actually understand if you were watching my previous videos. If you're not, I'll explain you. So you see this description, long, nice description talking about this video is actually here for SEO purposes. And then what's coming? Coming links. To get started today, simply hit the link below to take this Startport identification quiz to determine which training and nutrition program is best for you. And now if we click here, it will probably take us to his landing page, and here we can see the few things. It's not the best example, it's not the greatest landing page. He was supposed to grab our email somewhere or ask for our email. There is no pop-up, there is nothing, but doesn't matter. Look guys, he has his 4 products, and this guy, it's probably working for him, but this is not the best example. It's not appealing. It doesn't put the I wouldn't trust this website, but anyway, I would trust him. When I see 1 million subscribers, it means something. Okay, and let's see how much does it cost. It's $69 for his course. Okay, this is not the best example, and I actually want to go back and want to show you the best guy on the market that I've seen, and that's Athlean X. And as you can see, it's 7 million subscribers. He has made 993 videos so far. So imagine how much, before we go to his channel, just imagine how much work he had to put behind his channel to build his personal brand. And now you're gonna say, yes, he's 9 years on the market. Of course he is 9 years, but take a look some.
Heck major.
When you open his channel, let's take a look at this video and you're gonna understand.
Heck my.
Alright, and now you're gonna tell me, yes, Spiro, but he's got a TV production quality, like we can't compete against that, it's hard, it was easier before and stuff like that. But I'm gonna tell you, you're wrong, guys. He didn't have a such as production like just a few years ago. Actually, he improved his video production maybe 3 years ago. I know this guy from before because one of my friends was thinking to getting into YouTube, into this niche. He's very successful bodybuilder, but then, you know, he just doesn't have, he would, I guess he doesn't want to put the work in to become a successful. Anyway, so if you go to videos, and let's check his previous videos. Let's check his oldest videos, and then you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. Look at this, not most popular, sort by the date edit, oldest, and now you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. Look at his first videos. How long is that? 1 minute. Okay. And look at this shaky camera, smartphone camera, 9 years ago, almost 10 years ago. Do you understand, guys? So how did he started? He started with a phone camera. So there's no excuses like I can't start or I can't provide a good value. He's providing on this video good value 10 years ago. Look at this, 1.3k likes and 26 dislikes, 3,000 views, 300,000 views. Okay? So no excuses like, oh, but we can't compete with him. Yes, you can. Look at these videos. They all like 2.8 million views 9 years ago. Let's see the quality of the video. Is this a good video? It is good video. You know why it's good video? Because it provides a value. It doesn't matter. Video quality matters, but it's not the most important thing. This is a good video because it provides a great value. And because it helps people. And now let's check one of his latest videos and then you're gonna see what I'm talking about. And let's go back to his channel and sort by the newest, and let's open a video 20 hours ago. And just 20 hours ago he posted a new video. Look at this, 400,000 views, and he has a monetization turned on his videos. So let's just quickly do a calculation. 400,000 views times average in health niche around $4.50 divided by 1,000. This video so far made him $1,800 US. Of course, he's got 7.1 million subscribers, but that's what I'm telling you. This video made him already so much money. And trust me, guys, if he's making that amount of money here on a YouTube, he's probably making 10x back on a website, and I'll show you how. So let's just skip this ad and let's go into description, and you'll see again providing value. This is very well written for SEO. This helps him rank higher for keywords. Anyway, let's go here and let's click on build muscles in 90 days, and it will probably take us to his homepage, of course. And as you can see, this is like great lead capture page. As soon as we land, the first thing we see here is enter your email and access now. And basically now he talks about his training and let us help you choose a program. So he wants you to, you know, we're gonna check these programs. Let me just first see. Of course, he produced his own supplements as well, because more like, okay, a little bit of results, now a little bit of merchandise. Look, guys, that is a perfect program. Look at this. Let's see his sales page. Look at this. This is a professional sales page. This guy has done perfect work. He has put so much effort to build his personal brand, and then he has built a backend like it's a business. It's a best business in fitness niche online that I've seen. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there is something better, but I just wanted to show you. This is how, like, you literally can't do. You can't be wrong if you build your business. If you build your business based on a value, as these two guys are doing now, right now, they can't fail because they are providing value for free, and then they are offering premium service and premium supplements and stuff on a back end for a few hundred or $100 or something like that. This guy even have supplements and so on. So now you see what I'm talking about, how that whole thing is happening. Like you first provide a value, then you establish yourself on the market. So he was first providing a value, bad videos, without big investment. Then as he took off a little bit, he probably made some money. Then he invested in better cameras. Then he started making his own courses. You understand what's happening. It's a step-by-step process from scratch. This guy is definitely, just based on numbers, he's making multiple 7 figures. I'm telling you. If he's making like 300, 400,000 views in 20 hours after his video is posted, look at this. 700,000, 1.2 million, 800,000, like average video is above 500,000. What are we talking about? Guys, there is no excuses. It's all up to you and how much work you're ready and keen to put into your online business. Everything else is just a matter of time. I hope this will be motivational for you, and when this video finishes, you smash that subscribe and hit the notification bell. Think about it, pick your niche, grab yourself 5 books, start reading about it, start sharing your knowledge, simplify it, do something, because if you keep watching how to make money online videos, you're not gonna make anything. I wish you good luck, and if you like me, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and smash the like, comment in the description below if this helps you. If you don't like me, smash a dislike. I wish you good luck anyway. Cheers. I'll see you again.